Okay, so it's like a nightmare. Like, it's like a recurring themed nightmare that I keep having. I've had it like all my life. The one I had the other night, it was like I was in my old bedroom, but the window had disappeared completely. I was arguing with my mum, but I couldn't see her. She was downstairs, I think, with my sister. And everything was so out of place. All my toys were on the floor. There was furniture from the living room in my room. The shower was in there for some odd reason. I kept arguing with my mum over something. It's like something I've argued with her similar before. And then I kind of just got angry, locked the door because I was scared, but it kept unlocking. I eventually thought I'd locked it, finally, and just stood in the shower. There was no water coming out of it though. I could hear the water. I wasn't getting wet. And then, for some odd reason, the door just opened. My mum came in. She was holding a cleaver. And that was the end of the dream.
Okay, very good there.
The thing is, though, she looked kind of dead.
Okay.
Like she had branches coming out of her, and her skin was like greeny, bluey black. She was really skinny. Her fingers were like really long, like spiders or something. Her eyes were like both dull but glowing at the same time. There were like a lot of colours. It was just very strange. Like her hair was like really wiry and oily.